Hi folks, yesterday several of our students appeared for BARC CS 2021 paper and they are constantly submitting their questions. So let's see what was the level of the question and what are the questions that we can expect next year. So I would like to first thank the contributor Lakshman Sai. He has contributed to this question and thank you Lakshman. Now let's see what is this question. What is the minimum number of states in DFA containing the substring 0011? So we can jump in to straight to solve this question, to straight create a DFA, but I would not suggest that. I would first go and create a NFA, because sometimes it so happens that these questions are a little bit tricky and there might be one or two states that we miss out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first create a NFA 00 on 1, and finally when we see 1 we have seen 0011, and now whatever we see we are going to simply accept it. So this is the NFA, and now if you use the tabular method to convert it to a DFA, you would get something like this. This is a starting state. We are waiting for 0 0 1 and a 1. Once we see a 0011, I don't care. Whatever I see, I'm simply going to accept it. Okay, but there could be a case that there can be a string which starts from 110011. Okay, if whatever the number of ones that we see at the very beginning, that's not a problem. If it contains 0011, that's not a problem. So yeah, what are the states that are not complete? This state, this one is not complete. What if I see 0 here? My pattern is disrupted. The pattern of 0011 is disrupted, so I would try to revive the pattern, and for that let me go to this state. Okay, and yeah, 00. What if we get something like this? 00 000 111. Okay, let this be the problem. 0000 111. Okay, so whatever be the number of zeros, once we have seen two zeros, no, I don't need to go anywhere. I'm just waiting there only, waiting for the pattern of 0011. So I don't need to go to any other state from here. Is there anything else missing? Yeah. What if we see a 1 here? We can go back and revive the pattern of 0011. So this is the DFA. I tried to directly attempt it, but there is this one better method of converting from a NFA to a DFA.